Alright, this is the Orca Pack back with another video on helping you how to use Drupal better. And today we're going to talk about doing Drupal blogs and how to make them most effective for SEO, as well as just making them look good and making them usable for your users. So we're going to start off, we want to go to our blog. And I just clicked on our blog, and if I'm logged in and I have the proper permissions, I'm going to see this create new blog entry at the top of my blog posts. So I'm going to hit that, and we're going to see our normal editing, page editing, but it's going to have this extra field for tags. And what are tags? Tags are what our content is about. It's basically a summary. I'm writing a blog about Drupal, and it's a how-to, it's a tutorial, and it's about blogs. So those are my tags. And after we're done, I'll show you how to use those. How to create a blog in Drupal. It's not really what I want to do. A blog entry in Drupal. And down here, hopefully you already know how to use the text editor. Basically, this allows us to bold, italics, change our alignment. These are your styles that should be pre-formatted in your theme for your site. So the steps to do this, the steps to create a blog entry. One, create a title. It's catchy. Two, add tags for usability. Three, write great web content. Four, spell things correctly. No. Set your URL, or maybe a path auto. Decide if it's going to be on the front page. And that's about it. And I'm going to spell check this. Forget it, I know how to spell content. And down here, what I was talking about in number 4 is the URL path settings. So what this does is it adds what is going to be after the orcapack.com. So what this is a blog how-to. And the publishing options, what I talked about in number 5, is if you have a blog that's on the front page, you promote it to the front page. If you don't publish it there. And also, if you do have one on the front page and you only have room for one, you should go back and take the other blog entry off the front page, unless your view is set to only have one. Sometimes more than one can be put on there and mess up the design. So I'm going to save this, and then we'll look at what I've done. So as you can see, here's my blog, and here are my tags. And what the tags do is allow a user to basically see other content like your content, and they also are good. You can put them in like a block where this next steps would be, and these tags would all be here. So I'd have tutorials, so I can just click on it and see all the blogs about tutorials, all the how-tos, all the ones about Drupal. There we go. So there's all the ones I've written about Drupal over the last few months, or have videos about Drupal. And that's about it for this week. Hopefully I'll have some more for you coming up soon. Hope this was enjoyable and helpful.